Hi everyone, I want to show you how to create a child theme for your WordPress site. So you can see here I've already created one, but we're going to go ahead and make a completely new one. So we're using the 2020 theme, and what we're going to start off doing is we're going to create a folder in our VS Code. So let's go to VS Code here, and you can see that I have a 2020 child folder set up. So I'm going to click New Folder. 20, I'm going to call it 2020 2. That's confusing. 2020 child 2. That's also bad. Okay, 2022 child. Okay, so and what we are going to put in there is we need a style.css file, and that's the file that's going to allow us to see the theme in the themes menu there. So I'm just going to go in here and take from example from my other one that I did, and we can take a look at that here in a second. So we have just some basic info. I believe you may only need to use child theme, but I go ahead and put in all the ones that I can here. So I have my site, my name, description, text domain, not sure what that does, and license, you can definitely leave those out. So we put those in there, and then go ahead and FTP, so I'm going to refresh here, and we're going to see we got 2022 child showing there. So actually, let's do some renaming here because yeah, all of my oh right, this was important here because this template is which parent theme that we're using, that this child theme is made for. So this is the based on 2020. Okay, so 2022, 2022. I'm going to do that down here as well. So now we can go ahead and drag that over. And then after we've done that, we should see our child theme show up on the themes page. So let's refresh. And there we have 2022 child. And you can see that there's no image, and that's because we have to add the image just to the file. It's very easy. So I right click on the original. I just click Save Image As. You need to have something called a screenshot.png. So you use that. You might be able to use JPEG as well. So I take that and I go into my child theme and just and save that in the folder there. So then when I go in, I'm going to have a screenshot.png, and that's automatically going to get set as the. So I'm going to drag the whole folder and it's going to copy everything again. That's going to automatically set that theme thumbnail. So there you go. You can see we have the same image now. And then now let's take a look at one of our pages. I refresh here. But now when I activate the theme, we're going to see that the page is going to break. So no more styling. And this is because for some themes, when we create a child theme, we have to on-cue the style sheet. And I have a page about this open in the WordPress Codex, which I will link below in the description. But if I forget, it's called Child Themes. Yeah, WordPress Developer Handbook down here in the on-cue style sheet section. So, oops. Make sure to remember to try and copy that for later. So anyway, they give you some info here. It talks about like if, depending on how your parent theme on-cues this style, that will decide which of these two code snippets you'll use. So I downloaded my parent theme, and the way I did that, just as a quick tip, you can, if you use File Manager, you can right-click and create archive, so you can basically zip the whole theme file, and it'll make a zip, and you can download it in like a couple of minutes instead of like trying to download the entire theme folder via FTP. Could take an hour or more, or 15 minutes, or just a lot longer. So anyway, back on track. I was forgot what I was showing you now. we were talking about to on-queue the style sheet. So here they say like, oh, if the parent theme uses get template directory or get style sheet directory, that's going to tell us which one we have to use here. So we're going to go look at our parents functions.php. So I have the parent theme right here. I unzipped it, and I go to the functions.php and I just like search for on-queue, on-queue style, and then I can see that it shows up here. And I can see that it's using get style sheet URI. So we go down here, we can see that, okay, if you're using something starting with get style sheet, so then we're going to go ahead and grab this second code snippet, and then we copy that, go into 2022 child, and this one code snippet is going to go into a new functions.php file here. So we're going to start it out with PHP, and then now we can just go ahead and grab a couple of things from the parent page that we had open. If I didn't close it here, let me see. Oh, here it is. So I'm gonna get the this is what we're gonna need, 2020 style. And there's a little note that the codex gave here. So, this is 2015 style for the 2015 theme. For ours is 2020 style. Paste it in there. Let's take a look here. This one is just the function that we wrote here. Okay, style.css, version, child style. I think that should be it. So let's just take that now, drag it over. And we'll go, and if we did it right, this should just work now. And there we go. Awesome. So that's how you can get your child theme set up in WordPress, and now you can go ahead in there and you can add stuff to functions PHP or to styles, or add your own page templates, or do whatever you need to do. And I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.